think this is what people refer to as hot boys. So today we're at the Honors OC Wildcards car meet pin drop thing, I think, is what it's called.
I would say let's check out the
And I thought there's only gonna be like 20 cars showing up today, but it's pretty crowded, as you can see.
No shit, moto complex.
Sick. Yeah. The wildcard guys are here to represent because they made limited edition pins of their cars and they are dropping today. Oh shit, this car's from Hawaii. Swap? This is Celica. What in the world is going on here? This guy just made his own wide body sheet metal. Huh, oh, wood? Interesting. Lines are interesting. Color on this thing. Startle it. TRD flares?
Okay, you're good.
So many people out here. Terra sedan. Work RZRs.
Yeah, there are people having mad or super. Yeah, and everybody shows up and it's cool when they're having cameras up there. It's anywhere from 5 to 10 guys all at one shot. Oh yeah, that's what.
The carbon dash. Right-hand drive. Carbon rear deck. I wonder how he drives around.
He's gonna come off. I don't know.
Look at his trunk. It's like holding on for dear life.
It's got zip ties.
It's an RB1 Odyssey right here. Yeah. So many interesting cars here. S2000 right here. Is RG's okay? They're not packed, right? It was imported. They did a conversion on it.
Giving me ideas, so appreciate it. If you're ever thinking about spending the money, just do it.
Word. Yeah, that's always the best thing to do. Just spend the money, man.
Just
Don't
do it.
use it.
Do it and worry about it later.
Worry about it later.
What's up, Noe? Oh shit, what's up? Definitely an interesting variety of cars here today. This is clean. Taylor Yuji's car, Room Unlimited. Oh, I really like this car. It's a retrofitted Altezza BN kit on it. Raised paint place used.
Way more header clearance now, right?
Oh yeah, remember last time it was like a 7-meter? I'm excited. See how it goes.
When are you going home?
I'm heading right after this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm right back home to NorCal.
You're a big ass throttle body, dude. Oh fuck.
90
millimeters? meeting was huge. What the fuck?
Yeah. What's your name? Nick Higgins.
Yeah, oh shit. Your number?
I don't see it.
In the city?
No, not in the city. Well, 49. Well, they moved to Santa Clara.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
So I'm in Santa Clara. I got you right here.
Yeah. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
When are you gonna go back?
I'm heading back right after this. I just came out here for fab work.
When I go, my Z is up in Santa Clara. We're picking up.
You're down the
I'll
street.
stop by.
Yeah. Go by the pad or what? Thank you, man. I appreciate you. Mad love.
What's new? What's new, huh?
Yeah, dude. Just had to come out here to get some fabrication work on Friday.
Yeah.
From Whitfield Fabrication. Been on delay because the stock cross member couldn't handle the power, so hopefully when it gets all dialed in, we can take it to the track and see what it does, you know?
Yeah.
So I'm excited to see what it does.
You did it all in one day?
All in one day, knock it out like in 3 hours. You know, I knew he was a guy for the job, and he did a great job. Yeah.
Really good job.
Thank you, man. We got all the fab work on this. Well, the fab work is my boy Janky from the video.
Nicky Higgins' car. Ridiculously clean.
Yeah. This actually reminds me a lot of Benji's build, but honestly, this is just so crazy.
Yeah, it's just
Anything? My wire?
yeah, of course. Yeah, mine's just so good at electrical everything.
Yeah, I really enjoy featuring Benji style.
I was just with that guy Drew.
Millennium Jade. 34. E-Spec. Ner. E-Spec 2? Not Ner. Might be.
I can see.
I heard from Joe it's really expensive.
M-Spec Ner. John's car. Datsun wagon. SR20 DET swap. This Grady manifold. Cerakoted Grady intake manifold. TI piping. Titanium intake. Really, one of my favorite engine bays.
Like 4 times, 50 times?
Yeah, I know, but it's parking lot.
Hmm? Looks familiar. So, Honors OC. Nice little storage here. All kinds of collectibles and things. Wow, what the fuck? The outside of it is sick. I saw some guy on my Facebook page. He got like a custom Hot Wheels from Thailand. It's like the F-150 Lightning, but they filled the back up like Fast and the Furious with like all the parts and stuff. Yeah, it's sick. It's a really good job. Oh, there's Kenji's car.
These are all, these are just shop ones.
These are all Hot Wheels that are repainted, right?
Yeah, they're all customized.
You see that they have a Volvo station wagon Hot Wheel now?
So,
Yeah, your favorite. Finally, your life's complete. Hmm?
How did we have a Volvo station wagon with EK? Yeah, cool.
Yeah, they have all this stuff. I mean, I don't collect, but I can appreciate.
yeah, because we're thinking about it. Yeah, exactly. For the 30. Thanks, man. All right, no, thank you.
It's like yours that you would give out to people.
Yeah, because they're so rare.
Yeah, I'm gonna try because I'm trying to get myself.
Well, I was showing
Are you waiting for me to move?
like all
No,
of
I'm
his
trying
stuff
to do
that
it.
Oh, there for this character?
I can't focus.
Oh.
Do you have a set of it? Do you have this one? You want one?
I forget my name.
I have an actual one. No. Sorry.
If you're giving it to my son, then that's fine.
Beautiful Boy Racing Z to conclude our meet featuring the most random cars of all time. It's cool to finally see these cars in person. Only see them online.
Focuses on the speeds. Now we're like a Philips Hue car.
Yeah, what?
Yeah, Philips Hue sets the mood for all the boys.
What?
What?
Hmm?
Your age is showing.
There's no purple?
Yeah, there has to
Hey,
be.
Just red?
Purple.
No.
Kind of purple.
It's the same color. This is purple. That's purple. Okay, there we go. That's purple.
That's not purple.
This is purple.
That's purple.
As purple as it's gonna get.
Like, what if I keep pressing it more?
I'm gonna blow it out, dude.
Is that brightness? Oh, that's brightness. Should I turn it the other way?
Whoa.
Whoa.
This is as bright as it gets.
I think so.
And music. Purple.
Oh, there's purple.
Purple. Feels super weird because I'm not doing anything.
Yeah, I've never seen Sean work on a car before either.
No, I've heard stories of him working on like girls' cars.
Oh Jesus.
Oh wait, this is a girl's car.
Yeah. All he does is tell stories about
About how good he looked while working on cars.
yeah, here, dude.
Ah.
What do you mean check the rest of the shit?
Like the exhaust and stuff. I'm sure we're gonna find other shit too.
Okay, whatever.
Is that easier for you?
It doesn't matter.
He just wants to work on something.
No, I don't care.
Oh, there's no way on
If you want, yeah, you see what I mean? Like,
326 might be cool.
I see. See, like I'm trying to have like a structured life now. So
fool.
yeah, I don't know. My fucking girlfriend told me so.
Yeah.
All right.
I can't just go against that. Fucking, that's how you get killed.
The light is just lighting up the wheel. How long did this take? 5 hours? How long have you been here?
Roughly around. We just decided to do whatever we wanted to, but it's not gonna hold
Gotta
up.
do it right.
Yeah, we had to recess everything so that there's nothing touching the ground if she goes off track or
Yeah.
speed bumps or anything. So
Just gonna catch one thing on the ground.
yeah,
Just gonna rip the
exactly.
whole
So
shit out.
everything's recessed. We even ran it along the fuel lines just to kind of keep it away from everything. So
Oh, sick.
it'll work for now.
Hmm.
Who's there? You can go ahead and hit, maybe not full lock, but you can turn. You have about, yep, you're like 3 feet. Oh, just kidding. What the fuck was that? What was that?
So we're in the middle of nowhere right now, Ontario, California, on our way to Apple Valley Speedway for Phil Starr's birthday bash. Phil rented out a track so he can do some more driving, do some drifting. We got the new LSD in, got a new clutch in there. Set up a bunch of other stuff like catch can and little things like that. So the car is running great now, and we're just gonna see how it does today. We have a private track day all to ourselves. And then our friend Jaime, that old cat, came along on his Toyota Mark II. Cool Gian Arrow, and these work equips that he just built recently. So hopefully we get there before it gets too dark so we can get some coverage and some footage, but who knows at this point with so much traffic. It's taking us 3 hours to get to a place that should only take us about an hour and a half to get to. Thanks, I'm filming.
I'm sorry. I'm just, well, like, cause like honestly, like the campground, like you like rush over like for a while. Nobody knows. Waiting for him.
We got it. We're safe.
We're good. We're good. You okay?
Yeah, I just gotta get up. Alright. We'll get it next time. We'll get it next time.
That's fun though.
Alright.
Too late. You're late to the show.
Damn it!
This has been happening for
Yeah.
No, I've been out.
I was drinking.
You just gotta put a little bit of Bondo. Put a little Bondo and...
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like
Is this gonna grab here?
I think it should be okay.
Okay.
We'll see. I'll go out right now.
Yeah.
Try it.
How about right here? You think right here is gonna...
Let me pry it out a little bit?
Try it out some more.
You can, a little bit.
Oh, ouch. Okay.
Ooh, that's gonna look nasty.
Just kick it.
That's gonna look nasty, like really? You can blend it. At least this you can blend it.
Fine, trust me then.
This is how they do it in Hawaii, okay?
Yeah. Why you think? There you go. Yeah. Oh, there you go.
$100. I roll your fender for you.
$100. Oh, good thing you didn't
bacon.
pump it.
It's bacon,
You didn't
dude.
pump it. Yeah, you didn't pump it.
That's gonna be me.
It's bacon.
That actually looks kind of okay.
Curious about bacon.
We have Sarah's new Desmond Regamaster wheels on here.
Looks nice.
Yeah, it kind of looks better than the TC2. Now it goes with delivery too.
The contrast.
And then we got the purple Desmond stickers.
Billy's going back out?
Yeah, Billy's like you, where if he does something, he has to be the best at it. So now he's going to be the best drifter in the world tonight.
Tonight. He won't go home until he's mastered the track.
No, we're going
Yeah.
home.
Automatic opens in.
Yeah. Are you running a big space around there, Yosh?
It's in that mall where it's like everything else. Right?
Looks good.
Everybody tested in
Even in this really harsh light.
18 by 9.5 plus 30. Effective, what, 5 now?
29.5, 30. Ooh, I'm gonna run these on my car.
It's like a standalone.
Yeah, they fit in your car.
Oh, okay.
Okay, meanwhile.
Show your expertise and put the stickers on.
On the Desmond stickers?
Yeah.
Oh, do we have them?
I have them.
Oh, yeah, I can put them on.
Really?
Yeah.
Yes.
While I'm watching Jaime unbrake his car.
You fucking it more?
Yeah, it definitely came out quite a bit. Huh?
Yeah.
Just from all the vibration on the way over here. Yeah.
If it's wrong.
Joey's got a really good eye.
Also
Yeah, I know.
one single long hair coming out.
Yeah, I think that's Jaime's hair.
Where?
Stuck on your bumper.
Oh, no, this isn't mine. This is someone else's.
Oh.
This is red.
Oh. I don't think it's bent. I think it just came loose. When did you install these?
Like 2 years ago?
Oh.
We just aligned it on like Tuesday or Wednesday.
Cody aligned it. You aligned it.
No, I aligned it.
Oh, so you just forgot to tighten it. Oh yeah, it's super loose.
No, but I didn't even touch that.
Oh.
I didn't touch it for sure. We touched the subframe side.
Maybe it was just like not torqued correctly, and then all the vibration from driving over here.
Probably.
And
Probably the last 2
off-roading and
weeks
shit.
of driving. Probably.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you actually drove the car around all week
And we also have sausage.
too. Shit.
No, it's not.
Alright, well, that's one problem solved, but the other question is, why the hell is that?
That's not loose, right?
Huh?
No, it's fine.
Day 4.
Only the best.
What? Yeah,
It's just the arm, then. Nothing's broken. Thank goodness.
But,
camber arms.
Yeah, you were rubbing because of the... Huh? Yeah, the camber arm
But-
was loose.
do you think that's why it was like so like,
Yeah.
why it's so low on that side?
Oh, maybe it just looked low because of...
towed out?
Yeah,
Maybe.
maybe. Maybe check the other side too, just in case.
Stick to like not messing with cars.
Yeah.
It sucks.
This is the best birthday party ever.
Yeah, I get to destroy my bumper and get to work on my car more than anybody here.
Huh?
I believe in you.
Oh, I can do it.
No matter what car it's on.
Oh, that sticker?
Yeah.
No, I can't do it on the car. It's crazy, dude.
For another day.
No, don't do it today. You're gonna eyeball it like looking at it downward like that? That's not gonna work.
You can do it here.
Oh man.
Just run it across the
Nah, just take it back off the car.
Not right now. After the tires are done, we'll do
But
it.
just do it after, or do it later.
I thought it was the one that
Wait,
goes
they're gonna drive on
like the
these?
smoke sticker.
That's the evil sticker.
Yes. Mark,
Do they know what happens to wheels here?
yeah, we're gonna test them. This is the Utah thing. No, I think we should do the purple stickers anyways, dude.
You guys have purple?
We can get the purple ones. It's
His
just-
car's silver, right? Doesn't matter. So the red will look tight.
those are for your car. Do you know the
having purple though?
you know the Apple Valley Speedway is like the wheel destroying track, right?
It's fine.
I just broke TEs like last week.
He's broken T's before.
Yeah, that's what these are replacing. Is my one broken TE.
How do you break a TE?
You hit something on the freeway at 70
yeah.
and it launches your car in the air and totals it.
Yeah, he still doesn't know what he hit to this day.
No.
His car like caught air.
Did they fix
Really?
Yeah, I like
It
fucked
was,
up like
it was
5 other
enough
cars.
that when the car landed, we took the car back to the shop, got everything set, started it, drove it, car ran out of gas because the fuel sender popped up in the fuel tank and it lodged itself like that. So the sender arm was like all wonky. So instead we had like half tank.
But you still don't know what you hit.
I still don't know what I
It's
hit.
like
Police
an
report doesn't
anomaly.
know either. Just
You hit a black hole.
Were you the
move
only?
along.
Were you the only?
I was
one
one of 5 cars.
Okay.
It was a 5-car accident.
Oh shit.
I thought the point was filling up the tires was to put the tires on the car. I thought the point of putting air in the other tires was to put them on.
Oh no, not the pitch, because I figured these ones are going to be done soon.
Oh.
So I was getting the other ones ready.
Done soon it was.
Not bad. Just the...
Even wear.
Even wear.
Even wear.
Oh, I gotta take the spacers off actually. They're more aggressive.
Suddenly everyone's out last minute. I know.
Your car sounded great out there.
Yeah.
It almost sounds just as good, or if not better than Phil's car.
I think it's spicy, dude.
This car definitely sounds better
Because it's engine sound. It's
His
not
car
exhaust.
sounds loud coming at you.
Induction noise. This is crazy.
You can really hear that 20 valve.
Front and noise from the back.
Yeah.
It sounds great. I just have noise out the back. It all comes out of the back.
I hear that a lot when I go out and then I come back in and people always tell me that.
Yeah, it sounds great.
I feel like I could hear it when you're even behind me.
Respect to his life, dude.
Yeah.
Maybe you guys should go out for one more battle.
Yeah.
Dude, our car, I swore our cars sound exactly the same.
Yeah.
It's a Corolla though.
Yeah.
It's a Corolla.
It's a Corolla against a B16B
Apple
S2000.
Valley, so you get that.
Gotta be 16, 1.6.
But no, like the way the car moves is like similar. I feel like we have to drive the cars the same way.
Yeah. You have to make it move, dude.
No buttery at the beginning.
I might cancel set a little forward,
Yeah.
so it kind of self-steers itself a little bit.
Yeah.
A little cheating, but which island is this from?
People
I
say
like to
that shit about
drive.
wine. I'm
I think I'm just trying to hear.
If it was in the day, man, we get spicy.
A little spicy, a little bit. I'm like, those guys are like one headlight. I'm just like, you know where you're going.
Yeah.
A motorcycle following me.
This originally was a video about Phil's birthday, but it's more about you destroying your car.
I know, right?
How much you
You wanted content, right?
Yeah, this is good content. Wait, aren't you missing a piece?
Yeah, I think there's like a V shape that's like missing. I gotta go find it.
Just use a White Claw box.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I still have the other Big Mac.
Just use the pun.
You can like put all the empty. It's frozen enough.
Oh shit.
But
Corner for sure, right?
that's it's definitely the corner.
Got it. Yeah, I want a bite. Can you grab me one?
Oh, here it is.
Huh?
Yeah, no, that's what this is.
Your side skirt is still on the car.
Oh, really? Is that right?
I didn't even check.
Is it upside down?
No, I don't think
Did you break your side skirt?
I don't know.
Is that off of somebody else's car?
No, this is my green.
Does it match? Oh yeah, it is.
That was my color.
Where are the?
Oh no, my car was
You
filthy.
never had. I've heard.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave that one. I'm gonna leave it like that.
You want to leave this open?
Yeah, I'm gonna leave it open because it's broken.
I've still never had it.
Why is it so tight here?
Yeah, dude. All that merchandise.
Oh, it's right here. Yeah, it's right
I know it's right now. Well, we're there and they had it.
Oh, you let it go. I needed to move. You let it go. Yeah.
Yeah, what going on?
Yo, wow, you like caught it right in time. You think that? Right? We're like, oh shit, we caught it right in time.
Yeah, now look at the rest of it.
It's like, it's just a section of it though, you know?
Yeah, this is great, man. Hashtag worst birthday ever.
It's heartwarming to see if it works on my part.
It's like the one thing that
It's like
it looks like Big League Chew.
We went a little
Oh, that
too
happened
hard.
to me too.
But she has to drive home
my
on these.
ABS.
Oh.
Oh, yo, Phil, are your sensors okay?
Yeah, you should check your sensors.
I think it should be okay.
No, could you look at them?
It should be okay.
Yeah, they're there.
Okay.
Visual inspection done.
Because you're already down there.
Right now. I added
So driving home on his tires.
Yes, he is, because that's the only tires we have left.
Yeah, dude. Oh shit.
I try to have fun.
Oh shit.
Joey, I see a Big Mac. Can I eat it?
Yeah, eat it. It's cold though.
Got it.
It's cold. I don't care.
Are you tired of them?
It's very cold.
I like 5.
There it is.
Alright.
Got it?
Yeah, got it all.
Yay.
See all that spaghetti?
Oh, my spaghettis.
Yay.
Oh, your spaghetti.
Oh, my spaghettis.
That's your birthday present.
You did tell.
All these lines right
What's
here.
that?
Is it all this tire?
Oh, no, that was Jaime.
No, Jaime opened his door when he was frustrated. Yeah.
Wait, you
Dude,
guys
is this all
didn't
tire?
like on
Tire marks?
Yeah, it's like right here.
No,
It's right here. It's like here.
after Jaime's like camera arm fell loose and almost destroyed his car, he like got frustrated and he opened the door and slammed right into the door, into the back of the bumper.
Frustrated Jaime make me sad, dude.
Yeah,
It's very disheartening.
Yeah.
It is, right? It's like especially.
Yeah, because he's just like a giant cherub baby, but now he's just upset.
Too much pressure.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna find like the nearest cliff and then like, drive off of it.
Yeah. Oh man.
I feel like shit, man.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, I didn't even bolt on my fucking bumper.
Oh, but did you have fun though?
Nope.